2009 was a year of progress on the roof of the world. In August 2009, 3 remodeling projects on the Potala Palace and the Norbulinka and Sakaya monasteries were completed, costing 380 million renminbi. In September, Dawa Dorje, the singer of a band called Jiu Yanshi, returned to his hometown for inspiration. Many Tibetans today enjoy visiting a bar. It's become a popular way for young people to relax and listen to music. In Lhasa today, both Tibetan folk songs and popular music such as rock and roll can be heard throughout the city. Music shops are filled with newly released albums. The shelves are stacked full of rock and roll music sung in the Tibetan language. The Jiu Yanshi group, or Nine Eye Stone Band, is one of the hottest in Tibet. They have a large following, and through their music many fans have acquired a love for traditional folk songs.
藏民族的一些怎么说呢，就是文化艺术这一类，想要通过我们这个乐队的那个努力，给大家，也就是一个教育吧，能够把这些能学得最好。
Nima Phuntsog teaches English in Lhasa's experimental school.
Fruit. Yeah, stand. Okay, meat with fruit.
The band members also have different jobs. Lapa Dondrup, the electric bass player, runs a music recording studio. The drummer, Ngawang Tsetan, is a librarian at Tibet University. The guitarist and the singer also make their living in different ways. One is a tourist guide and the other owns a bar.
没有记谱，就是随便哼一些段子出来，然后就是记，就反正就是所有的歌都是以听力为主，要听多听，然后就是是一个调子，把那个调子那个顺序写出来，然后就在那个地方创作什么东西，比如说前面的 solo 也好，中间 solo、尾奏什么都是我们。 以那个哼的方式去录。
Without knowing anything about music scores, these young men have produced a number of hits by combining folk tunes and popular music. One of their albums hit a record sale of 40,000. Their songs have stayed for a long time on radio hit lists. They are heard on big streets and small lanes. Many of their songs are adapted from local folk music collected over the past years in rural areas. Dawa Dorje, the singer, comes from a county in Ningchur, a place famous for its folk music. He returns home regularly to see his family and also the local folk singers. Dawa Dorje grew up listening to old people singing. He can never get enough of the tunes from his hometown. This time, Dawa has returned with a particular song in mind, a song he heard when he was a little boy, a song that to him is like music from heaven.
어디 니 다섬지고 다들 뒷부가 뭐지 제 어디지 어도 투부 제좀 내주고 좀 그것도 니 잘하시면 땅 자르고 그냥 쇼도 이 거르고 아디 차다더니 동지 안 빠져 이 버려 동봉이 빠져 듣고 시작 동봉지
그러면이 죽절라야 말고 그 어디 죽져셔로 어디 우리 양전은
디고디 딜로레 제골링스 뭐지 왜 제골링스 뭐지 봐 어디인지 로레
Como me que como se então sem de ninguém onde não gosta, se de longo de cheiro goi.
Daqui a pouco casei aí cheiro.
요요 아시고
Based on the original lyrics and rhythm, Dawa adapted the song into a happy, upbeat song about urban life. In March, while Beijing held a large-scale exhibition, the 50th anniversary of the democratic reform of Tibet, Lhasa held a festival entitled Songs by Emancipated Serfs. A stage drama, Forbidden to be Born, was also re-staged. Between August and October, the musical Charming Tibet was performed on a national festival stage to mark the 60th anniversary of the founding of the People's Republic of China. In October, Tenzin, a Tang Ka artist, joined a singing contest in Lhasa. At 7 o'clock every morning, 18-year-old Tenzin gets out of bed and washes his face punctually. Since his father died, he and his mother have been living in this shared yard. At 7:30, he leaves home for work. He knows every inch of the street because he has lived here since a young boy. It leads to the famous street Pagor. Pagor, 1,300 years old, is the busiest commercial street in Lhasa, where Tibetan Buddhist followers also gather to pray every day. Tenzin is a Tang Ka painter in this shop. Before he sets brush to paper, like other Tang Ka artists, Tenzin will say a prayer. Painting Tang Ka is in itself a religious ritual. He began to learn this skill at the age of 10. In Tibetan, a Tang Ka painter is called Lahri Ba, meaning artist who paints Buddha. Painting a Tang Ka is a complicated job, requiring very fine brushes and techniques. Usually, a tangka takes 1 month to complete. Every inch of Pagor, a place thronged with tourists daily, costs a fortune, but painting tangka is not a profitable job.
Purine that the Yawutitun Gewasajra. That Namjularu and Dele, the Shindata Manja de Casore. Milia, Samana would get the Jitachimare. And it that or the Rimpa Samna and Sunni, the Dumjo Korea Sam, and it Seme Jitas and Goyore, everything. And it Rumchik Chiniti, and to the mountain that Shigeba Jamdui, and it Milia Tumbushido.
After he wraps up work, Denzin goes with a fellow worker to register his name for a popular song competition. What Denzin enjoys most after work is singing. This competition will shortlist candidates for a national TV competition, and Denzin wants to give it a shot.
你觉得你的嗓子像谁的嗓？
他的年轻是不是？这我也说不上了。现代马自达现代起亚马自达。
Almost every weekend, Denzin and his fellow workers go to a karaoke place to sing.
画画那个对，一定会画的，一辈子都会。然后唱歌的话，自己就是有兴趣的话，我还是会去唱歌，然后边去唱边去画。这个我买的给他。啊，这个。这个。我知道打中。
Before he goes on stage, Denzin's mother asks his older sister to help with his makeup.
这奶奶是知道吃么子也吃。
你买的？
真买的。카레 나 그런 것들 너무 쉽지도. 아, 보이소. 단대 띠 넘셔리.
예.
류로 건데.
자제 당사 배제 거는 나 분저 고문다.
강가다 그래. 뭐 단대 건데 디니니를 넘버치는면도.
디니?
지 혼자 로봇 와 끼지. 연년씩 제대서 텔레케 점단 차거든.
Denzin bought this red faux leather jacket a few days ago on a special trip to Pagor.
你放上一句放纵，以为你有天会感动。9点6分，8点8分，9点8分。
你说这一句，有夏天的气氛。
For Denzin, not making it to the next round could be a good thing. It could let him concentrate on this month's painting.
谢谢。主要的看看就说，那点感情，别什么钱就是啊。
The last step for a Tangka piece is getting the blessings from Buddha. Each time he walks on this busy street on this mission, Denzin feels that the quiet street of his boyhood is disappearing. Only the sutra reading from Joukang Temple is still the same. It is only at such moments that Denzin realizes things have changed. The old days of the old generation have long gone. Yet, traditions never leave. At the beginning of the year, the first large Tibetan Chinese English dictionary with all the terms from the previous 34 dictionaries and 12 electronic ones was published. Towards the year end, a project was launched in Lhasa to incorporate Tibetan language into mobile phones. Tibetan users were beginning to take advantage of wireless communication. Towards the end of December, the third field survey for cultural relics was completed in the Tibet Autonomous Region. In October, artists from GC Art Yard were busy preparing for the Songzhuang Art Festival in Beijing. Far away from the center of Lhasa, by the Lhasa River, there's a studio named after a famous Tibetan artist. The GC Art Yard is a gathering place for Tibetan modern artists. In recent years, the studio has exhibited many works about contemporary Tibetan life.
这些不装反而有意思，其实俺得读下音，对，是吧？这样。
Some are done in the traditional Tangka style, yet this one has a cartoon panda in the center. Some figures in the painting appear in Tibetan attire but pay tribute to Hollywood blockbusters. They have a unique meaning.
在这儿生长的人，从小在这儿长大的人，对西藏的理解和就是外面的艺术家来这边采风，或者说到这边来感受西藏，它完全是两码事。
To Gada, the art world used to depict Tibet as a sort of Shangri-La, but failed to show its contemporary side.
你在不断的制造一种神秘，把西藏神秘化，就给别人制造一种西藏那种他们想象中的西藏，再给他们制造这样一种东西。我觉得这个不是我要去追求的。
Gardur lives here, but to him, every sunrise is new. Today's Tibet is progressing with the world and the times.
我们的当代艺术的基点也在这里，就是想抒发自己在这里的人怎么样去看待自己周边发生的事情。
To Gardur and many others, Tibet is a place filled with modern goods, a place where women shepherds appear side by side with pop singers.
内地人拿相机猎旗，我就觉得，其实你在看他的时候，他也在看着你。有内地来旅游的朋友就说，西藏不是他想象的西藏，已经很现代了，怎么的。我就说你们在内地大城市过得好好的，开私家车，怎么住的都是什么，然后到西藏来一定要求我们西藏人民用一种原生态的生活方式接待你们。我说这不公平。
Artists love the modernity of today's Tibet, but the rocketing housing rents in Pagor is something they can't afford. Because of this, they have to turn their eyes to a suburb, to the side of the Lhasa River. In 2003, the GC Art Yard was founded as a corporation. Its rent and utility costs were shared. It's not a fancy place, but Tibet's modern artists finally have a place of their own to meet and discuss. To them, Tangka and Buddhist sutras, the traditional subjects of art, have become popular symbols.
因为它这个载体还是很传统的，但它里头的内容是置换掉的，是新的内容，就很像西藏。你看它还是一个原来的西藏，但是你进入到拉萨，你会发现是一个新城，是吧？它很现代。
The Tibetan people have warmly greeted the modern age. Their perspective has changed. On a close look, the patterns which make up the Buddha's head on this dollar bill become clear. The god sitting in the middle is unrecognizable.
流行文化呀，物质文化这种东西的冲击现在是越来越大了。我觉得像这种卡通的形象呀，这种它在越来越多的，就是占领藏人的这种精神领域，就是它的我觉得是一种置换，它的内核已经开始慢慢淡化了。
How is the conflict between popular art and tradition, between commerce and culture, being viewed? Everywhere, there are different ideas. This oil painting, The Cycle of Life, represents the efforts of some artists to ease the conflicts. In it, famous figures such as George W. Bush, Kofi Annan and Angelina Jolie are seen clad in Tibetan clothes.
只要信奉藏传佛教的人都坚信每个人他都有轮回转世，所以我就想通过这幅画把这些世界上的一些就是各个种族也好，各个民族也好，各色人等吧，都邀约到我的这幅画里面，轮回转世为藏民，和谐相处，生生世世，越是民族的越是世界的。
This piece conveys a typical Tibetan religious belief. An ice Buddha is slowly sinking into a river to merge with the universe. It is the perfect image of the cycle of life.
一个文化，如果你永远提它的从前，那它是博物馆的东西。我认为西藏的文化还是活着的，就是它还是要焕发它的力量出来。任何一个活着的文化，它必须有一种新的文化产生出来，产发出新的种子来。
Today's innovation makes the tradition of tomorrow. Modern Tibetan art is just like this, as the new fruit from a very old tree.